Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change language in YouTube app. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your YouTube app. After you open your YouTube app, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this profile at the bottom right side, your profile. After you open your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this settings at the top right side. This settings, tap on it. So now, tap on this first option, general. This first option, tap on it. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says app language. As you can see now, this app language. So tap on it. So under this app language, as you can see now, it says the current language is English United States. So now you can scroll all the way to down and choose the language that you want to make it to your default language of your YouTube app. As you can see now, after you choose the language, so like this one, after you choose the language, tap on this change button, it will change the language for you. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.